Alanke.com.
Which is certification.
Colonel Mohammed Abdullahi.
كوشغي دلك نقول شغي ومدة نقول شغي كوشغي دلك نقول شغي ومدة نقول شغي دلك يوم مدة نقول شغي.
Okay, so it's for us.
Major Alan Hassan Barrow.
Human rights is a very, very important component of our training. Even before you come to the mission, you have to train on human rights issues. And we think it is important for the Somali National Army to be trained in human rights so that they will be guided by the principles of human rights and they will do their job without any violations.
Major Mohammed Noor Abdurrahman. Major Noor Abdurrahman. Major Dahir Ilmi Yahya. Major Warsame Jama Hassan. Major Warsame Hassan.
It's a very important training for them because they are trainers already. They are instructors within their ranks. And the purpose is to enhance their understanding of human rights and child protection, and so that they go back to the various sectors and replicate this training that we've just organized for them.
Isaac Mohammed.
Hug my training partner.
Lieutenant Hassan Ibrahim Barrow.
Oscar. Alex of the ENDF, please.
Corporal Moramenze Godinui.
Godwin.
si aad iyo aad han way uga faa'iideysteen ayagana waxay ballan qaad kula dardaarnay in asharadii wanaagsaneed ee human rights ku saabsanaa ay u gudbiyaan unitadii iyo raggii ka dambeeyay ee ka yimaadeen ay u faa'iideeyaan ayaguna ay ka faa'iideystaan.
Ahmed Warsame. Captain Addo Ahmed Warsame.
Dismissed!
Thank you.
Alanke.com.